What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A3A from the airport lounge tonight. South African Airways Airbus A340-642 and the scale 1/200 by skymarks. South African Airways was formed in the 1930s in Johannesburg, South Africa. They have numerous destinations throughout the world: Asia, North America, Canada, England, Germany, France, and Hong Kong. I got this aircraft back in 2015 from Pastime Hobbies. I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the static ports, PO tubes, and the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. I'll take you along the aircraft, starting first with the L1 door, the South African livery, the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings. Very nice view. 777 Die Hard Forever featured this aircraft. And the tail section, the South African flag on the A340. South African Airways has 6 Airbus A340-642s. And you're staring at the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes come along the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The South African flag, Z-5-5MB, Zulu 5 Mike Bravo. Massive wings of the A340. The 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come up along the starboard side of the aircraft. And that's it. South African Airways replaced their 747s with the Airbus A340-642 around in 2007. And they have destinations such as in Washington Dulles International Airport in Virginia, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport in Queens, New York. That is the only 2 destinations that South African Airways flies to here in the States. So that's it for this video. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain A3A signing off for now. Have a good night.